OneSearch Plus. This is an introduction to OneSearch Plus. There are certain sections here that I will go through in another video tutorial. Let's go ahead and log into ShopKey Pro with your school credentials. And the vehicle that I've chosen for today is a 2018 Mazda Miata 2.0 liter engine Sport. Once you've uploaded your vehicle information, go ahead and click on the bottom right of that window where it says use this vehicle. The next window should automatically be in OneSearch Plus. And in here, we can see quite a bit of information. OneSearch Plus is actually the main window that technicians use in the shop because all the information that they need is available here. If they require specific information, they are able to search for the category in only one window. Technicians that use this program always end up in this main window when they want to search for a new vehicle, for instance, or a quick lookup on a maintenance schedule, confirm torque specifications, fluid capacity, etc. It's built for us not only to assist in repairing vehicles, but to also use as a reference guide, so there is less time wasted looking for information. Programs like these become more and more convenient and easy to use for those that use it all the time. This updated version of ShopKey Pro is also more user-friendly for all ages of technician. There are two images here, and I want you to focus on the top one. Just a reminder, on the left side is where we can choose the type of search item we want to use for a specific task. OneSearch Plus, maintenance, service manual, forum, etc. At the very top is where we can change the type of vehicle we want to look up. And in the middle, there is a search bar for quick access to information. For me, this is where I access trouble codes instead of going into the actual repair manual. And this rectangular box right in the middle are individual icons for common areas that is often searched and used. You've seen this box before on the maintenance page. It is often placed on the right-hand side of your screen. On the Change Vehicle bar, if you look at the very end, there is a Recall Campaign tab. If you click on that tab, it will provide you information on safety recalls or campaigns and the dates that they were published. When we are performing a maintenance on a vehicle, we always look at this information to keep the vehicle up to date and with the most current information, especially if it's a safety recall. If a recall or campaign is not completed on a vehicle that we are working on, a technician would add this recall on their maintenance quote and forward this information to the service writer to inform the customer. When you choose OneSearch, this search bar will automatically open. If you don't need it, you can click on the down arrow on the right side of the word search. This area again allows you to search for many information, including part number for specific quotes, among other things. Now, a repair shop does have a choice when it comes to purchasing these types of programs. Purchase of this program can be customized depending on affordability. For example, a dealership can afford all the features that ShopKey Pro has to offer. Therefore, they have the ability to create repair orders, invoices, estimates, quotes, and connect to local parts suppliers. Whereas a small repair shop may not be able to afford these features and only invest in the repair manual for their technicians. Whatever the need, custom purchase is often available. The last part I want to show you is this 4 sections here. This area is considered a common place. Let's have a look at each section. The first one is components, and this is a list of commonly replaced items for this vehicle. There is a number beside the components, and if you click on the actual component, it will provide information on search results for that component and related components if available. The next one is common DTCs. Technicians use this often because with the newer vehicles, check engine lights can easily be triggered. So when they pull up trouble codes from these check engine lights, they can refer to this section to see if it's a common code for this particular vehicle. The next one is common symptoms. Yes, cars do get sick. It can be in a form of unexplained light turning on and off, intermittently, high idle, intermittent noise, suspension noise, etc. Based on search items, this is a place where you can find common behaviors or symptoms that vehicles have. And the last one is top search lookups. The most common searches are torque specifications, tire information such as tire pressures, oil capacities, etc. The best way to really get to know all of these is to navigate through the program on your own and through our lab practices.